Are you looking for the best 3D printer for small business? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer for small business on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer is a versatile and efficient tool for easy, fast, and reliable 3D printing. It boasts high-quality concept models that are produced 30% faster than its predecessor, with a 25% larger build volume. The printer features a large factory-level build plate and a new grip surface, reducing warping and curling issues. Equipped with the MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus, this 3D printer ensures dependable and consistent performance. The Smart Extruder Plus is the result of extensive product design, technology integration, and over 160,000 hours of rigorous testing. It excels in producing superior results using MakerBot PLA, polylactic acid, material. Standardized features contribute to the printer's accessibility, including a cloud-enabled system with an LCD display, onboard camera, and connectivity options such as USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. This user-friendly approach makes 3D printing hassle-free and efficient. Number 2. Original Prusa i3 Plus 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 Plus is the pinnacle of 3D printing technology, representing the latest iteration of an award-winning line of 3D printers. This model comes as a DIY kit, providing enthusiasts the joy of self-assembly, or as a fully built and tested option for those looking for a hassle-free experience. Key features include a US power supply and an 8GB SD card for seamless operation. The MK3S Plus boasts a fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, and a filament sensor for efficient printing, and supports filament auto-loading, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted printing experience. Notable components such as genuine gates belts, bunch drive gears, and a 9Z Rambo motherboard contribute to the printer's reliability and precision. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 3D Printer is a powerhouse when it comes to saving time and enhancing printing efficiency. With firmware upgrades that enable 6x faster printing, this printer boasts a maximum print speed of 300 mm per second, with a recommended speed of 200 mm per second and an accelerated speed of 3000 mm/SA squared. The upgraded Levic 2.0 automatic leveling system, paired with a modular design, ensures fast and precise leveling without the need for manual adjustments. Efficiency extends to filament delivery, thanks to a dual-geared extrusion structure that accurately controls material delivery. The extruder power has been boosted to 60 watts, ensuring quick filament melting and enhanced flowability. Rapid cooling is achieved through an optimized dissipation design, with the cooling fan reaching an impressive 7,000 revolutions per minute, resulting in fast printing experiences. Number 4. Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K Large LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K Large LCD Resin 3D Printer is a powerhouse in the world of 3D printing, offering a range of features that cater to both large-scale and intricate projects. Its standout feature is the expansive 9.3 printing area, allowing creators to produce bigger and larger quantities in a single batch. The 22 cm Z-axis, equipped with dual linear rails, enables the printing of tall and spectacular tabletops, from gigantic dragons to large ogres, while ensuring stability and reliability during the printing process. With a high 4K resolution, the Sonic Mighty 4K doesn't compromise on printing precision. The monochrome LCD printing technology allows it to print up to 4 times faster than traditional 3D printers, with rapid prototyping enhancing efficiency by completing each layer in only 2 seconds. The 3D printer comes with a guarantee of 2,000 working hours for its LCD and a free 3-month warranty. Number 5. Dremel DigiLab 3D 4501 3D Printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D 4501 3D Printer is a powerhouse in advanced 3D printing, offering compatibility with a variety of materials such as EcoABS, nylon, PET, and PLA filaments. With its all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle reaching temperatures up to 288 degrees C and a removable glass build plate heating up to 108 degrees C, it provides a versatile platform for 1.75 mm filament printing. Recognized as the best 3D printer for professionals and small businesses by PCMag.com in 2022, this printer is also a Google for Education partner, emphasizing its suitability for educational and commercial use. Its robust construction ensures durability for daily use, making it an ideal choice for architecture, engineering, university, and commercial applications.